What do Shakespeare, Hollywood, and cavemen have in common? The secret to what makes an effective narrative. Actually, these story rules are probably the worst kept secret in human history, so why are they so rarely taught in schools? As Write Magic graduate Jay says, why do authors get to learn to read and write narratives the easy way, and school children don't? That's a good question, Jay. You see, Jay struggled to come up with an idea for his stories, and when he did, he'd quickly lose the plot. Plus, Jay read fluently but never seemed to take anything in. Write Magic is a love story between serious education science and creative writing industry expertise. It is a single, simple method that will help children unlock the deeper purpose and themes of books they read and write logical, meaningful and compelling narratives with confidence. Teacher Mrs. Hill worries that reading and writing are such critical skills in our knowledge age, yet many students fail to meet standards. It saddens her that children's enjoyment of classroom writing peaks in first grade and declines from there. She begins to wonder, why is teaching story, comprehension and writing such a struggle? After all, humans have always loved stories. It's simple. In schools, we usually teach children to write what we think a story should look like, not what a story truly is. Let me explain. We might teach students to write a hook sentence, then throw in some background and character description. Then they must think of a story problem, increase the tension, create a climax and resolve it. That's a lot of abstract concepts for children to master, especially when they don't have to. Why? A mountain of education science proves children find it easier and more engaging to learn how to write and analyse fiction like real authors do, namely from a place of meaning rather than story form. And this holds true for those with learning difficulties as well as mainstream, ESL and non-confident students like Jay. So what do cavemen, Hollywood and Shakespeare have to do with all that? Well, did you know that oral traditions, folktales, fiction, movies, plays, TV shows and narrative essays follow the same rules? And that means you only need to adapt one story method to all your task, test, topic and curriculum requirements, while still catering for your students' individual interests and abilities.